let's talk about something that's not talked about much. Something that hasn't made big headlines, but definitely deserves our attention. Most of you must have seen ORSL, Oral Rehydration Solution. Yes, the Tetra Pak, that colorful drink you find easily in pharmacies or apps like Zepto and Amazon. And yes, you're right. It's the same drink many of us give our kids when they fall sick to help them rehydrate. It's made by JNTL Consumer Health, which is part of Kenvue, the same company that used it to be under Johnson & Johnson. The bottle proudly says ORS in big, bold letters. Looks super convincing, doesn't it? But here's the catch. It's not the real ORS. The World Health Organization has a proper scientific formula for real ORS. Exact balance of glucose, salt, and electrolytes. That balance helps the body rehydrate safely. But this ORSL drink, it doesn't follow that formula at all. It has 8 to 10 times more sugar than what's allowed. Sounds tasty for sure. But if a child is dehydrated, especially due to diarrhea, that extra sugar can actually worsen dehydration. Imagine parents think they are helping their child, but it might be doing the opposite. Now, here's where it gets inspiring. A Hyderabad-based pediatrician, Dr. Shivarani Santosh, has been fighting this issue for 8 long years. 8 years of saying, don't let fake ORS be sold. And finally, in October 2025, the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India said, okay, we'll fix this one out. They announced that only products matching WHO standards can be called ORS. They even cancelled all existing fake ORS licenses. Sounds like victory, right? Wait, not it. Because right after that, the company ran to the Delhi High Court. And guess what happened? They got a temporary stay. And now they're allowed to sell off 180 crore worth of stock. That's around 4 crore bottles, each ₹45. So even though the product doesn't meet WHO standards, it's still on the shelves, still using the name ORS. Doesn't that sound unfair? This is bigger than one product. It's about corporate power versus public health. While a multinational protects its profit, parents across India might be unknowingly giving their kids something harmful, thinking it's safe. So please, next time when you buy ORS, check the label. The real ORS has exactly the right mix of glucose and electrolytes, not a sugary energy drink pretending to be medicine. People deserve to know this, right? So share this video, tag your friends, and let's make some noise for real safety standards. Let's make awareness go viral, because this time health is at stake. Stay aware, stay safe, and keep watching Fileline for more real stories and updates that you won't find anywhere else. Have a great day.